Thanks for your subscription, your comment, and clicking the bell icon. In this video, the topic of this video is two best software that protect your device. Two best softwares application that protect your device. There are two best software applications, why or antivirus, but they work more than antivirus. They do more than antivirus. They have many features in order to keep your device safe, be it Android, iPhone, or computer. This application, one is Phone Manager. This application have many features, have many ability, many functionalities on it in order to make your device secure. One, let's proceed in order to show you this application. I call it name now. See it here. One is Transfer All File, Data Manager, Smart Cleanup. This place, Smart Cleanup. This place is where the application has if you set up this place, the application will know the time you need to clean up your device. My next video, which is next week. My next video, I will show you the function, how this application works. So subscribe to receive notification when the video is being posted. Smart charger. When you charge, if your phone is filled, the application will vibrate. The application will vibrate, and also app lock, which protects your device. Even when you put on screen record, it can show your password on the screen. Most of all, manage message security. It secures your private message and also keep your message protected from a spy or a hacker. Also, it also have antivirus. That's why I say this application work more than antivirus to keep your device safe. Junk files. It clean up junk files. Deep cleaning. If you want to create a space. Also game mode, in order to play game more efficiently, fast. It boosts game in order to play fast and also automatically. So notification manager, it sends you notifications and manage your notifications. App management, where you can delete app or install app. That's it. Now for the second one, this one is called ESET Mobile Security. This application is very good, sweet, but in order to use it, you have to subscribe for the premium version. My version, I haven't subscribed for the premium version, but I have used it on my Symbian phone. I've used this application from this time I start using Symbian to Android phone. This application is the best, is one of the best, because I can't say it's the best, but it's one of the best, and in his own aspect, I believe it's the best application. For me, it's the best application because it protects my software, my phone, keep my phone safe. That's it. This application is good, but in order to use it, you have to download the upgrade to the premium version, or subscribe for the premium version. Settings. That you can also install it. These are the application, the software application that protects your device in 2021. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to be and click on all to receive notification as soon as I post my video, because my videos helps you in order to be wise, to know and understand how applications works. Thanks. This is Gentle Shadow Video Tech. Don't forget to subscribe.